I remember my days as a tutor, searching Pinterest or Google, trying to find something and then taking that and creating a lesson.
Lesson planning is it takes so long.
The challenge of making a lessons plan is just first finding something, coming up with an idea.
The lessons that might have been on Google are not geared towards after school. You have to spend some time to shift it.
Lesson planning doesn't have to be hard. With the Resource Portal, we make lesson planning easy. The Resource Portal is an ultimate online lesson planning platform. Our platform offers access to over 700 lesson plans across 16 different categories, making it easy to find exactly what you need. All of our lesson plans are consistently formatted. This helps instructors to quickly find the information they need, like objectives, materials, and step-by-step criteria to ensure that all lessons will be taught effectively. And you'll find that some of our lesson plans have video tutorials also. From favoriting lesson plans to creating personalized lesson sets, all while scheduling them with our user-friendly calendar feature, and have the ability to create and add your own lesson plans to the platform. You can say goodbye to the stress of lesson planning and hello to more time for teaching. Try Resource Portal today and experience lesson planning made easy.